Interrupted with the Wcl Library DLL blocking localized application logic workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To kick off the Wcl library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Wcl library, a generic wireless communication library, frequently associated with Bluetooth or localized Wi-Fi stacks to manage unmanaged localized hardware handshakes and data link manifests for specialized peripherals. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Since Wcl Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Application Logic Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Wcl library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Wcl library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Wcl library and system efficiency. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Wcl library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.